From simple straight cuts to complex designs, our CNC cutting machine handles every shape of pre-insulated duct with unmatched precision. No matter the design, straight ducts, round curves, or custom configurations, this machine makes it simple, efficient, and precise. Engineered to deliver versatility, this machine adapts to your every need, producing ducts in all shapes and sizes without compromise. Whether it's a straight run or a complex transition, our machine ensures precision and efficiency, saving you time and material.